Okay guys, as you can see, I just removed the intercooler and now I need to extend this wire. So this wire connects on the temperature and manifold air pressure here. Sensor, sorry. So yeah, let me extend this and should be one thing less to do on this car. Okay, so as you can see here, we extend this wire and yeah, now let's re-put all this thing on the car and yeah, let's continue. Okay, so now guys, we're gonna start this car and see if it runs better. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so now we have the bumper here and we need to just try to test fit the bumper and yeah, that's it guys. Let's go. Okay, so guys, the bumper is on, but it's not. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this bumper anyway. So as you can see here, we have the hole for the PDC because the 320i have a front parking sensor. I have just a little bit of fitment issue with the oil cooler, so now it's fixed. Here you can see the coolant radiator for the intercooler, just here. And yeah guys, that's it. Guys, as you can see, the engine ran a bit rough, and it's completely my fault because I just realized I swapped the two O2 sensor, bank 1 and bank 2, and yeah, I need to remove this charge pipe again, all these things, and yeah, and swap the O2 sensors connection and see if the engine run better, because this engine always run very smooth. So yeah, it's completely my fault, so I need to figure it out. And yeah, so yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, as you can see here, we have two connections. Yeah, this is just like the O2 sensor. So now I just need to swap the connection. So yeah, let's do it. So now this thing is done. I just need to rebuild everything, and yeah, and try. That's it. Okay, so now guys, if you are not familiar with MHD Flasher, it's the app I use to flash my car with custom map, or you can do basic stage 2 or stuff like this. So the car was already flashed with my old map, so for now I just need to clear the code. Okay, and now we need to try the car. So yeah, let's start the car. Okay, so guys, I still have the same fault. I need to continue to investigate off camera and find what is the issue. Okay guys, we just reset the adaptation for load control, lambda sensors, idle and everything. This is my login screen on the telephone. And for now the engine run way smoother than before. But I really need a new tune to make this car 100% better. So yeah guys, I ran on my old map with the air-to-air intercooler setup, so yeah, the car needs a new tune. This tool is very good. So yeah guys, so yeah, the next thing is to modify, you know, the torque protection just here, to cut the edge here and here, and to make the car ready to go outside, and yeah, and fix the bumpers and stuff like this, you know, just few things to do. Yeah guys, we put some power steering fluid into the power steering fluid tank to have a soft steering now, so now it's a bit better. And yeah guys, this car could be ready to drive very soon. Okay, so now guys, I need to show you how to make this pump run when you just put the ignition. So we have the ground here, the positive here, and what we need to find is positive after ignition. So we need to go into the ECU box just here, and I'll show you in a minute which wire to take. Okay guys, as you can see here, this connection was clips like this. So yeah, this orange cable are positive after ignition, so you can use the one of these wires to pour the water pump just here. So just before to do this, I'm gonna confirm this with just the multimeter just here, and confirm if we have voltage after the ignition. So yeah, let's go for this, and then if everything is correct, we can run a wire like this to the fuel pump, to the water pump. So run the wires from this here to this box. Okay guys, we just confirm with the multimeter this thing is this wire is a positive after ignition. So now we're gonna run a cable and yeah, and give some power for this water pump. Yeah, let's do it. Just make a quick test. I run a wire here, but it's not very clean, but it's just to test. I extend the wire from here to here, and I take my ground just here on this bolt. So now I'm go ahead and put the ignition on the car and see if the pump runs.
No.
Okay, so guys, the voltage, everything is correct on the car, but this pump is not working, so I need to order a new one from BMW because this one is used. So yeah, order a new one and fit this on the car and finish with the engine and stuff like this. And I need I need another coolant tank as well. I forget. So yeah, just few things. But yeah, this is the real life, guys. The thing is not working. Yeah, things happen when you do a build like this because it's not a build like bolt-on mods. You know, it's just you need to thinking about everything, try new things. You know, so that's why. Yeah, the pump is not working. That's the life. Just need a new pump and yeah, that's it. Okay, so guys, as you can see, after a few adjustments, yeah, the car runs way much better. So yeah, I run this wire just here. I run it on this hose just right here, and I make it run all around here to here, and I make this system. But yeah, we have a fuse holder to protect everything, and I just need like a new pump to run my pump here, the inlet outlet, to make this setup for the intercooler working, and I just need a new coolant tank. And after that, the engine bay work is done. So yeah, guys, this is the next thing I'm gonna need, guys. So yeah, I keep you updated, and at the moment, yeah, I just take a bit of time to appreciate how my engine runs very smooth. I need to adjust this coilovers also because the car is very low on this side. That could be in the next video, guys. I also need to drill some holes because you can see here we have the oil cooler here. And because it's a 320i, we have no hole on this side, so I need to drill some hole here. And after that, fix the bumper. So yeah guys, just few finish, but I probably do this off camera, I don't know. And yeah, I have a tail light and the boot to change as well. There's just few things. One bolt here is gone, the xenon bolt. And yeah guys, the car is almost finished. Okay guys, it's the next day, and today we need to install this. This thing is it's a two-step module, two-step and no lift shift module for any car. It can work on 335i or any car with manual transmission and a signal for the clutch. So yeah, this is the module. I take this module from Summit in USA. It's my favorite shop, and yeah guys, as you can see, it's one of the oldest shop for drag racing and stuff like that. So guys, it's not a sponsorship, but if you want to check out this website, they have plenty of things. And the thing is, there is couple engineers, they develop few product specific only on the you can find this only on this website. So now this is the module. As you can see, it's very small, and this is the wiring loom. And at the moment I forget which color goes where, because I never install one kit like this, but that's going to be the very first time for me to install this. I install few med kit and stuff like that, but I don't have experience with this, so it's going to be the very first time. We have this pin here for the ground, and this cable here, it's the cable just plug here, and it's for just to program the two-step and no lift shift. So guys, first thing I need to do is put my new base map for all this setup, because all the map requests and everything change because of this intercooler and different piping and stuff. So first thing I need to do is change the map, and after that install this. So let's go. Okay, so now the map is installed. I just reset some adaptation because the car was running a bit strange. So now the car runs much better. So now it's time to install this. The first thing we need to do is remove this cover and remove the complete ECU box just here. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so now we need to unplug all the connections here and remove the ECU. Okay, so at this point you can see here we have 4 bolts. It's T30. So to remove this box you need to remove this, and just here you can see here there is a vent. It's because this box is air cooled, because as you can see on the ECU you have some things, I don't know the name of this thing, but you have this to cool the ECU, and the fan is just there. So I'll show you in a minute when I remove this. Okay. Box is removed, and as you can see here, there is the fan to cool all the components into the DME box. And here you have you can cut here and pass some wires here and here. So this is where I'm gonna run my wires for the two-step module. So yeah, let's continue for the rest. Okay, now we need to remove the glove box. Glove box is there. So yeah, I need to clean a bit and remove the glove box. As you can see, we have a bit more room now. These 2 wires just there is for my boost controller. So yeah, I think I need to use the same way to pass the wires for my module. I think I need to thinking what is the best for now, but I think I'm gonna do this. Okay guys, this is all of this is the harness for the two-step module. So okay, so first thing first, the green wires is the clutch signal wires. Okay, the yellow wires just here is the RPM wires, just to see the speed of the engine is the RPM, and the blue one is the gas pedal signal. We need to tap this to you need to connect this into the connector of the DME on the following pin for the gas pedal. This one the RPM, and this one the clutch signal is for the flat shift and everything. And these 2 wires just here we need to connect these two wires into the orange wires. Just here is the positive after ignition, the wires we use for the um, the small water pump for the intercooler. So we need to reuse the same wire, and this very short black wire is simply the ground. So yeah, we need to install this into the car. And yeah, so all these wires goes to the engine bay. And yeah, let's go. Let's pass these wires. Okay, so finally I decide only to put the 3 signal here, and these 2 ignition and the ground just here. I'm gonna connect this from inside, and yeah. Okay, so I decide to choose this spot for the module. So yeah, now I need to continue to run all the wires and put the power on this orange and red and black wires. And yeah, let's continue. Okay, so everything is complete here. I just make a small hole in here, and I run the wires for the module. So yeah, the next step is to connect this to one of these 2 connectors. I need to look on the wiring diagram and select the good wires, but at the moment I need to rebuild all the interior and everything here, and after that I'm gonna have a look for the pins and stuff like that, the connections. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna use my computer with my chassis number to just to have a look on the wiring diagrams to connect all the wires in the car. So the clutch signal, RPM signal, and the throttle body signal. Okay, so the first signal is the clutch signal. This is the clutch position sensor. It's basically an oil sensor. So you have 4 wires, and I need to take the signal from this wire. So this is the connection on the DME, and I need to connect the green wires from the 2-step module and connect this wire to this signal to have the clutch signal. So this is the first one. So the wire is blue and brown on the pin 18, and this is the name of the connector, and this connector is here. So on this small part of the connector, so I'm gonna show you after in a minute. And after that I need the throttle body, so not the throttle body, the accelerator pedal sensor. So one of these sensors of this wire, so I need to double check after. But yeah, let's connect this one first. So yeah, pin 18 and pin 18 on this one. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so guys, this is the connector. So as you can see on the picture, it was here, and this is the connector itself, and as you can see here, or probably not, but here it's number 14 and here number 25 or 26, something like this, and we need the pin 18. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, this wire just here. So yeah guys, to remove the pin, guys, it's very simple. You can see here we have the wires we need. We just need to press here. Press another time, and that's it. So now I need to connect the green wire to this one, and after that we clips the pin. That's it. Okay, so guys, the next wire. So now I just connect this way. I need to make the solder after. So the next wire is the accelerator signal. So it's pin number 7, still on the same connector. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's this wire just here, the white and yellow. So yeah, same thing. I'm gonna remove the pin and attach the wire, and that's it. So yeah, it's I think it's the yellow wire, I'm not sure. Yeah, I need to double check guys, but it's one of these two wires. No, yellow wire is for the RPM, and the blue is for the blue is supposed to connect to the accelerator signal. So this one. So yeah, let's go. And yeah guys, I forget to tell you, but just to help you, as you can see, this harness go into the left side, the left side. So all the wires from this side are from inside of the car. So you have the clutch signal, you have all the signal for the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal. Everything is come from this side, because all these things are the control from inside of the car. So all of this come from this connector, and all the other things are for example, this is all the CAN bus and everything to communicate with the rest of the car. All of this is all the sensor and the signal to control the ECU, to say the engine, what the engine needs to do, stuff like that. So yeah, to control the car and the functionality and everything is on this connector. This is only communication, stuff like that. So yeah, let's continue. Yeah guys, rectification. So yeah, this one needs to connect to the blue one, because the yellow is for RPM, so it needs to go into another different connector. So yeah, let me install this. everything is done for these two wires. So now I just need to confirm where is the RPM signal, and for the yellow wire, and that should be good for the engine side. This is the RPM sensor, so and this is the DME. So I need to connect myself the yellow wires with the yellow wires of the module. So pin 29 on this connector. So let's have a look. Okay, so 05 is okay, the bottom one. So I think this one is a black, it's a long black connector. So okay, so this one and pin 29. Yeah, let's find this wire and okay, so I was right, so it's the black connector just here. So because it's on the bottom, number 5 is there. So yeah, let's remove the connector and we need to have a look. Okay, so guys, this is the connector just here, and now we need to take the number 29 because I see on the wiring diagram the wire is yellow. I think it's this one, but I need to confirm. So 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, so as I show you few time before, you need to press here, and after that you pull the wires out and push another time here for the second time, and then the wire is completely free. So yeah, let me remove this wire and then I can connect the last wire from the module just here. The last wire is finished. So yeah, just need to reconnect here and put the connector here, and that's it, and that's finished. Yeah, so now we are inside and we need to connect the last wires, so the ground and the two positive. So this is the harness for the module just here, and yeah, I just reconnect everything here. So don't watch this is very ugly, but I connect a lot of wires on the positive and on the ground as well, because my homemade boost controller is wires to this one, and this thing is protected by a fuse. No worries for that. So guys, but yeah, so let's rebuild everything, and it's not finished, but in the next video I'm gonna show you how to program this module, and so yeah, let's reinstall this and I conclude after. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, the module is there. It's not fixed, but it's here, and now I'm gonna show you with the ignition. Ignition is on, and when I press, yeah, if I switch off here, I'm gonna turn my homemade boost controller. So yeah, guys, in the next episode I'm gonna show you how to program this module, and yeah, that's it.